Good morning from our second day here in Uluwatu. Today we have plans, a lot of plans actually. Let's see how much of it we do. First order of business is we'll get a two-wheeler. हमने जहाँ से मोटर रेंटल सोचा था वैसा मिला नहीं, so plans had to shift और हम लोग चलते चलते एक रैंडम कैफ़े पे आ गए. ये कैफ़े का नाम ऊला कैफ़े है. The vibe is superb. बढ़िया है. Leon has ordered what? Island tropical drink है. स्मूदी लग रहा है. स्मूदी है. हेल्दी जूस है. मैंने मेरा बेसिक जो आधा गटक गया फर्स्ट सिप में कॉफ़ी मंगाया. कॉफ़ी इज़ ऐसी कॉफ़ी जब मिलती है ना, अंदर के सेल्स एक्टिवेट होते हैं सुबह सुबह. सुबह तो नहीं रहा. Looks beautiful. Coffee बढ़िया है. This also looks good. I'm excited to have food. It's very hot right now. We'll have to wait for it.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak on through the main floor. All night, let's take a shot. Keep moving and we won't get caught. Take the long way home. Tonight we're free.
Hello. We have come to the Malasti beach. वो रहा बीच का एंट्रेंस फी है. दिस इज फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर पेइंग एन एंट्री फी. द एंट्री फी इज 33,000 IDR. 33,000 33,000 IDR. अभी दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम वी हैव पेड अ एंट्री फी टू अ बीच. This beach is so stunning, so beautiful. वहाँ पे हमारा कार पार्क है. Leon is going to get our towels. Actually originally यहाँ पे no swimming वगैरह लिखा था, but I think वो तब के लिए जब the ocean touches the tide over here, high tide के टाइम पे. अभी ऐसा कुछ. So yeah, I'm just waiting for him. I'll have to take my earrings out, wrap up the camera, keep the cap, and then go inside.
Got a good buzz going. I'm never, ever, never coming down. Never coming down. Never coming down. Never coming
ऑलराइट, हम लोग आए हैं थॉमस बीच इन उलुवाटू. एंड यहाँ पे आने के लिए बेसिकली देयर इज़ अ शॉर्ट हाइक which is going to be tough climbing up. So यहाँ पे ऐसा बोलते हैं that this beach is good for swimming and very good for sunset views. I don't know about swimming though, because this is very rocky, extremely rocky, especially the side that we are on. There's a lot of people out there where there's less rocks so that they can swim. But there are a lot of surfers on this beach. This is a good surfing spot. And over here, we have a surfer. Well, we have not posted yet, right? So we can still talk about it. That's okay. I mean, we have a potential surfer. Let's just put it that way. She's scared. You scared for what?
I am scared for, I don't know, just being in the ocean. What if I drown?
But you know swimming, right? That's the foundational to surfing. Or there are more things.
There are definitely more things than just swimming. Swimming is a part of it, but swimming से तो मैं सिर्फ पता नहीं क्या कर पाऊँगी. ऐसे ऐसा सी हो. You only tell. मेरा इधर जाने का हिम्मत नहीं है. ये रॉक्स के आगे जहाँ पे लोग गए थे अभी थोड़े टाइम के पहले तक. मेरे को वहाँ मैं कैसे जाऊँगी? It's where those surfers are. That's where I have to reach to even be able to catch a wave. तो छोड़ो. To catch a मतलब ऐसा point where I can start to learn. So I am not prepared, shall I say, for that yet. देखते क्या होता है. I don't know. सिर्फ swimming आना is not the only thing. It is a lot more to do with having guts, having a physique, I was gonna say, but having physical stamina rather more than physique to endure this kind of, first of all, going inside, riding a wave, coming back out. And पहले दिन पे तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता. पहले दिन पे पहले आधा घंटा 1 घंटा तो there are so many dragonflies. Sorry to digress, but what I was saying was पहले दिन पे तो foundation course ही होता है, and उसके बाद they show you the ocean etiquette, ocean safety, and वो 1 घंटा तो वही चलता है. उसके बाद हम अंदर जाएंगे. एंड जब मेरे को डर लगता है ना, आई फ्रीज फर्स्ट सेकंड में. उसके बाद मैं रिएक्ट करती हूँ. तो उसमें तो पता नहीं यार, देखते हैं. आई एम स्टिल इन नॉट टू मल्टीपल माइंड्स एक्चुअली. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज, इफ इट गोज.
So that was surfing. She's still thinking about it. She's reached out to multiple swim schools in Bali. Surf schools. Sorry, my bad. Surf schools in Bali. In Uluwatu or in Kuta? In Uluwatu. She's come down to 2.
Through
which portal?
Google. I just read Google reviews.
Google or Airbnb?
No, it was Google.
Okay, so this was through Google reviews. The best of the best.
Okay, where they are.
The best of the best surf schools. Does surfing over here where we are right now. That's Thomas Beach. And the second one?
Padang, right there.
Padang, it is pretty close to this beach. It's just, I think, 2 beaches down. It's one of the most famous beaches in Uluwatu. Since Thomas Beach is kind of like a secret one, right? Not a, yeah, only surfers know the spot. And some other people, but yeah, all right. So we'll see what happens. But as of now, she's going to give surfing a try.